Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Bathroom Stands is probably one of the most underrated essentials in any bathroom. They offer a stylish and practical solution for organizing toiletries, towels, and other essentials, while also maximizing space. Whether you're dealing with a small powder room or a spacious master bath, the right stand can transform your space from cluttered to chic, making your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. Number 5. AOJEZOR PVC Toilet Paper Holder Stand. Are you tired of damaging walls in your apartment? This toilet paper holder is perfect for renters. It provides essential storage without any drilling, making it a truly renter-friendly solution. This holder requires no drilling, protecting your security deposit. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to move. It's the ideal storage solution for those who frequently relocate. Say goodbye to clutter with this practical storage cabinet. It cleverly uses vertical space to keep your bathroom organized. It transforms your bathroom into a calm and orderly space. This PVC holder offers more than just a place for toilet paper. It features shelves for your phone and other bathroom essentials. It keeps everything tidy and within easy reach. This freestanding toilet paper holder is built for durability and stability. User feedback confirms that it adapts well to small bathrooms. It maximizes storage and space utilization. What we like? This stand is perfect for renters, as it requires no drilling, protecting your security deposit. It's designed to fit in small bathrooms, maximizing space. If you are looking for a convenient and damage-free storage solution for your apartment, you should consider it. What people say. The stand is very sturdy. It fits perfectly in the small space I have. The shelves are deep enough to hold all my toiletries. Number 4. SONGMICS UBTS01WT 3-tier over toilet storage. Tired of clutter? This over-the-toilet storage unit is designed to make the most of your bathroom space. It offers ample storage without taking up valuable floor area. Featuring 3 shelves, 4 hooks, and a toilet paper holder, it keeps all your essentials within reach. Towels, tissues, and makeup are all easily accessible. The middle shelf is adjustable to 3 different heights, allowing you to customize it to your needs. You can store shampoos or even add a touch of greenery. Don't worry about complicated setups. With clear instructions and labeled parts, you'll have this organizer assembled in no time. An Allen key is also included. Crafted from renewable bamboo, this unit is strong, stable, and durable. It brings a natural, stylish vibe to your bathroom, creating a relaxed atmosphere. It provides a large bottom space, perfect for placing over a washing machine or trash can. Remember to leave some space on the sides and top to prevent scratches. What we like? This over-the-toilet organizer offers 3 tiers of storage, maximizing vertical space in your bathroom. The adjustable shelf allows for customization to fit your needs. If you like the natural look and feel of bamboo and need extra storage, it's a great choice. What people say. The stand is very sturdy. It fits perfectly in the corner and provides ample storage space. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. YASONIC Shower Caddy, Rustproof and Large Capacity. Tired of flimsy shower organizers? This is a game changer. It's designed to simplify your life and declutter your space. This set includes everything you need: large caddies, a toothbrush holder, a soap holder, and more. It provides ample space for all your essentials, making your bathroom neat and tidy. Forget wobbly shelves. The Caddy features lab-verified adhesive pads that can hold up to 40 pounds. You can trust it to securely hold all your bath gear without sagging. Say goodbye to rust. The advanced coating and triple-strength steel wire give this shelf a long lifespan. It's built to withstand years of steam and spray, remaining pristine. No drilling is required. Just clean, peel, stick, and hang. The installation is quick and easy, so you can have it set up in minutes. This organizer is versatile. Use it in the shower, kitchen, bedroom, or even your RV. It adapts to your needs, offering flexible storage wherever you need it. What we like? This shower caddy is made of rust-proof material and offers a large capacity for all your shower essentials. It installs easily without drilling. If you need a durable and spacious shower organizer that's easy to set up, you should consider this. What people say. The stand is very sturdy. The design is perfect for a small bathroom. It fits perfectly in the corner and provides ample storage space. Number 2. SPACELEAD 3-tier slim rolling storage cart. This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into those narrow gaps you have at home. It's ideal for spaces between the toilet and sink, or the refrigerator and counter. The smart tiered design ensures there's a spot for items of all sizes. You can assemble this cart in under 10 minutes, with no tools required. The components snap together securely. The removable dividers allow you to customize the layout to fit your needs, and you can even remove the wheels. It's built with lightweight materials, making it easy to move around, but each shelf can hold up to 30 pounds. The mesh design prevents water pooling and promotes air circulation, keeping your items dry. This cart is perfect for various areas in your home. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even in small spaces and RVs. It's a versatile solution for all your storage needs. This product is designed to be a gap-filling storage solution. Its narrow profile achieves maximum stability when placed against a wall or between furniture. We recommend using it to efficiently utilize awkward nooks and crannies. What we like. This slim storage cart fits perfectly in narrow spaces, making it ideal for maximizing space in any room. It assembles quickly without tools and features a breathable mesh design. If you have limited space and need a versatile storage solution, you should consider it. What people say. The stand is very sturdy. It fits perfectly in the small space I have. The shelves are a good size and hold a lot of items. Number 1. SPACELEAD 4-tier slim rolling storage cart. This slim cart is designed for modern living. It fits perfectly into those narrow gaps between furniture and appliances. Its innovative design maximizes vertical space, providing ample storage in a compact footprint. This cart offers innovative design to meet diverse needs. Equipped with wheels, it can be moved around easily. You can also remove the wheels to convert it into a fixed shelving unit. It features customizable dividers for item categorization. The design ensures everything finds its perfect fit. This eliminates wasted space, making the most of every inch. Assembly is quick and easy, with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy portability, yet each shelf is strong. The design promotes air circulation and keeps items dry. This cart can be used in many areas. It's perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and small spaces. It's a versatile solution for organizing your entire home. What we like. This 4-tier cart is designed for narrow spaces and offers a dual-mode conversion, allowing it to be mobile or stationary. It also features adjustable dividers for customization. If you need a flexible and adaptable storage solution for your home, you should consider it. What people say. The stand is very sturdy. It fits perfectly in the small space I have. The shelves are the perfect size for storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.